Here is the staircase that I'm going to clean, and the culprit whose non-stop shedding has been a source of great cleaning aggravation for me. But not anymore. Using this little tool makes removing pet hair from small carpeted areas such as the stairs or small rugs a simple task. It is by far the best way to remove pet hair that I've tried, and it is so satisfying to use. In fact, over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you my using this little tool on 3 different surfaces. So this carpet is one type of surface. By the way, even though the sounds made by running this tool over the carpet seem harsh, it's not damaging the carpet. At least, I'm not seeing that. Now, I've read some reviews where people complain that it ruined their clothes, and I can see how this could snag and pull on the threads, so I would not run this over any type of clothing at all. I'm going to make a video later on the easiest way to remove pet hair from clothes, and for clothing, you don't need a special tool. This is so satisfying. I'm going to upload an ASMR version of this video. Now onto the rug. I wanted to show that this tool can be safely used on the more precious rugs you might have. Anyway, I bought this tool for only a couple of bucks, which is a fraction of what you'd have to pay on Amazon. I wanted to try it, but not all the reviews were great, so I wasn't sure how well it would work. And I didn't want to end up wasting money on something that turned out to be useless. So I decided to get the cheapest one I could find so that in case the product was a dud, I wouldn't have wasted a lot of money. Well, I found the best price on eBay, and I'm going to put a link to where I bought mine in the description box below. Finally, these are the floor mats that were in my car. I drive my dog around everywhere, and the dog hair piles up everywhere. And this little tool has made a world of difference in allowing me to easily remove pet hair from the mats as well as the carpeting in my car. But you'll still need to run the vacuum after you remove the hair because you're still going to have dirt particles that remain. The same with carpet in the house. This tool helps remove the hair, but you still need to vacuum. Now I'm going to show you a close-up of the tool. The teeth kind of look like the threads of a bolt screw. They are not sharp and will not cut you. They don't hurt to rub your fingers over the teeth. This is why, despite the harsh scraping sound, they won't damage your carpet or rugs.